Okay, welcome back everyone. So today we're going to be continuing with the third part of the how to make a slot car tutorial, and today we're going to be covering the paint. So I see that you can have like this paint, which you can see it reflects the sun and everything. Looks very good on all types of cars and materials. And this is like a preview of what it is on a mesh ball right here. So what we're going to be doing in this tutorial is editing to your body. So you have your body. So most bodies that you have, so just go into your body, E36, that's the model that you're using. Go into the paint. Most bodies have that. If it doesn't, then just try and select it with your Alt, or you hold Alt and then you just select them all. So you go into your paint, you can see that all of this is just a normal mesh without anything. So to apply this, just go to the material, and then you just copy all this. So go from here, you press shift, and then to that you press copy, and then you go up back to your paint and you just paste it in. So you select all of that, and then you do paste into selected or Control Shift V, and automatically you should see a big difference in your big model. It looks very nice, and this also adds like a kind of texture, like a noisy texture, which looks very good on cars far and like close to it, and it adds like this type of shine with the sun. And this tutorial is very easy if you know how to do this. This is just like a rewind, and I wanted to thank Pow, the YouTuber who like made this thing, this like material appearance thing, and that was basically it for this tutorial. Now you can do this on any other card you want, so you can do this on this model, which is coming soon, and then that's it. I will link this model down below so you guys can follow me with the tutorial, and that's basically it. Bye!